Hey guys, I wanted to do a video, on religion just because people keep asking me, and it's really kind of getting annoying. So, my whole view on the whole religion mess. I don't like it. I just don't like religion at all. For the simple reason, please hear me out for a second before you go on a little fucking rant down there. That it's just so complicated. It makes life difficult, and it doesn't seem fair. And the biggest religion out there is Christianity, and it's also the most filled with assholes. But I have a couple of ways to deal with them. Like, I get called a Satanist regularly because of my taste in music and the music genre and music family that I put myself in. And one of the best comebacks there is you call me a Satanist, yet you're the one that believes in Satan. You know, I've never seen the guy before. Have you? And another thing that I realized a couple of days ago, whoever wrote the Bible must have been chewing mushrooms or something, because you don't come up with that twisted shit just regularly in your right frame of mind. And I just think it's a much crap. A lot of people get crap for doing what they love. You can pretty much find a hate site anywhere on the internet for trans people, rockers, metalheads, fucking people with blonde hair, people with black hair, white people, black people. It goes on and on and on. And I just don't like it. And I choose to not have a religion. I respect religion, but if you go on a religious rant on me, I will basically go fucking white trash, smart ass on you, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's just how I deal with arguments, and I'll own your ass as best I can. And I've been doing pretty good lately. And on my Instagram, nobody really knows that I'm trans. The fact that I don't talk about it much. I think it was yesterday or the day before, I put some posts up, just trans acceptance and things like that. But yeah, it's just and I think another reason I really don't like religion is the controversy around tattoos. I'm going to get tattoos. I guarantee you I'll be fully sleeved and have a full back piece and chest piece, and I'm going to be covered in them. Just because tattoos to me are like a part of life, like motorcycles and rock music. Rock and roll and tattoos just seem to go hand in hand. Just like long hair and metal goes hand in hand. So Jesus Christ. But I think a lot of controversy around just everything, and it just makes things complicated, more complicated than they need to be. And I think I'm pretty pretty much a dirtbag, white trash, fucking hard rock and roll, whatever the fuck you want to call it, lover that walks around looking like a skateboarder all day long, pretty much. I have a skater wardrobe, Volcom, DC, just skater shit, you know? I have Airwalks, I've got 2 pairs actually. I've got fucking energy drink ads and Monster and Fox jackets. I've got Fox clothes. I've got all kinds of shit. And I've also got Metallica shirt, Black Sabbath shirt, Nirvana shirt somewhere. And I've got this one. Got this Metallica shirt and a Master Puppet shirt. And I got Smack hat and I got Smack jacket. And I just think you can have your religion, but you don't have to be a douche about it. You don't have to shove it in everyone's face and preach. And, there's just, you know, I just don't like it. Honestly, I don't. And another problem is I talk like a retard sometimes. I think a lot of the bands I listen to and get obsessed over rubbing on at me, leaving their mark, and yeah. Trippy. Yeah, it's like my new favorite word. Fucking trippy shit. No, fuck. I swear more now than I did before. But I don't think the music has anything to do with it. But anyway, well, I guess that's about it. So, adios, purple.